let's make cheesy ground beef casserole. In a skillet on medium-high heat, you want to brown 1 pound of ground beef. After your hamburger is cooked, you want to drain the grease off, and then we're going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Then we're going to add about another 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And stir that all around. Next, you want to measure out 3 cups of frozen potatoes. Cubed frozen potatoes. Then you want to measure out 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So in a bowl, we've put our frozen potatoes, our hamburger spice meat mixture. I'm going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup and 1 can of cheddar cheese soup. And then we're also going to add a 1/4 of the cup of the shredded cheese into the bowl. So we're just giving this all a good mix. We have a 9x9 baking pan that we have sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. And we're just dumping it into the pan. Spread it all out as even as you can get it. And then we're going to top it with the other 3/4 cups of cheese. Now we're just going to pop this into a preheated 350-degree oven. We're going to bake that for 30 minutes covered with a piece of foil. Then we're going to uncover it and bake it for an additional 20 minutes. Just adding a little extra cheese. And there's Sherman, waiting to get his sample. You gotta wait, buddy. It's almost done. And here is our finished cheesy ground beef casserole. So here is our finished cheesy ground beef casserole. Let's just give this a taste. Really good. Cheesy, potatoey, hamburgery. Is that a word? Hamburgery? So anyway, give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Now let's see if Sherman likes it. You want to try it, buddy? Oh, it's definitely Sherman approved. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.